We have come into your presence, not by power, not by might, but by the Spirit of the living God. Let the heavens open now. Step into your holy fire, where mercy meets our deepest cry. The weight of glory fills this place. We cannot stand, yet we arise. The elders bow, the angels sing, creation shakes at heaven's King. Your throne is high, your reign is sure. The sick are healed, the lost return, as holy passion starts to burn. No darkness can withstand this light. You turn our mourning into life. The captive sings, the broken dance. We live again in your great plans. Your presence is our only need. You are the air that we breathe, and every heart begins to bow. We feel your glory here and now. The sound of heaven Forever you are Lord. Throne room explosion. Jesus reigns alone.